1,700 new millionaires are created every day. That's kind of hard to believe, isn't it? So what's the secret to their massive success? How did they break free from the rat race while you're still stuck in the daily 9-to-5 grind? The answer is real estate, but not the type of real estate you're thinking. This is a brand new strategy only 1% of the world knows about. This 1% is known as the new rich. And in a moment, you're gonna get a chance to access a simple switch and become part of this new rich. When you flip this switch, you'll transform from a slave in the never-ending rat race to an all-American real estate boss and join the new rich, where you can do whatever you want, whenever you want, travel the world, live your life in true freedom, provide the best lifestyle for your family, buy the home of your dreams, buy the cars of your dreams. And I'm gonna be revealing the secret to becoming a real estate boss on my upcoming free web class. All you need to do is click the button on this video or under this video to claim your free spot in this class. This class is 100% free to attend for you. Remember, you are just one deal away from living the life of your dreams. It's time to become a real estate boss and join the new rich. Now go click the button to get started, and I'll see you in the class.